Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and safe during this pandemic COVID-19. I welcome you all for this introductory video on an B.Sc syllabus of Botany. Dear students, we are aware that due to coronavirus COVID-19, we cannot proceed for our traditional teaching learning practices, and to avoid loss of students due to this coronavirus lockdown, we are going to start online education, and this is a new initiative taken by our college. So we are going to start our online lectures from today. Before that, we should know the structure of syllabus. So this is an introductory lecture prepared by me for the better understanding of syllabus of B.Sc. We know very well from last year, University of Pune, they introduced choice-based credit system for B.Sc. You already completed your first year by this type of pattern. First of all, we will do revision of the first year syllabus. What was the structure of syllabus? In first year there were 2 semesters, and in each semester there were 3 subjects, and all 3 subjects were compulsory subjects. So these 2, that is plant life and utilization and plant morphology and anatomy, these are theory subjects, and each subject it carries 2 credits. So this first paper it has 2 credits, and second paper also has 2 credits. There was a third paper in first semester, that is practical paper. So it was based on plant life and utilization and plant morphology and anatomy. Means the third practical paper, it was based on 2 theory papers of the first semester. The practical paper was having 1.5 credits. So this was the pattern of first semester. You already appeared, and you have also given examination of these papers. Second semester was also same, and all the 3 papers are compulsory papers, and they are similar to first semester. The first paper of second semester, it was plant life and utilization. Second was principle of plant science, and both these papers they carries 2 credits each. Third paper, similar to first semester, it is based on the first and second paper of second semester. And you can see here both practical papers are having 1.5 credits. So this has 1.5 and this also has 1.5 credits. So we already appeared for this year. So we have already completed first semester and second semester of B.Sc, or we have completed first year with all these subjects. So total credits for B.Sc Botany were 11 credits. Now we will proceed to second year syllabus. Now as we are appearing to this year, that is second year, now you are entered and you are admitted to this year. So we should know this syllabus in detail. Now we are started with third semester, because first and second we have completed already in first year. Now we are in third semester. Fourth semester it will be our future semester. Now we are only interested in this semester. This semester also contains 3 subjects as like first year semester. So first subject it is taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology. Second subject it is plant physiology. Third subject it is practical based on these 2 subjects. So structure is totally similar to FY syllabus, FY semester, but one thing it is different here, that is The practical of second semester, it is practical of second year third semester, it is having 2 credits. It was only 1.5 in FY B.Sc. Fourth semester also have similar structure of credits. There are also 3 subjects, that is 2 theory subjects and 1 practical subject, but each practical subject in second year it is of 2 credit instead of 1.5 credit. So this is the difference in FY and SY Botany. So see here you have to appear for the practical semester wise. These are 2 theory papers of third semester, and these are 2 theory papers of fourth semester, and practical of third semester, and this is practical of fourth semester. So in this way, this semester have 3 subjects, that is third semester have 3 subjects and fourth semester have 3 subjects. So total 6 subjects are there, and which are having credits 12 credits. So SY B.Sc is of 12 credits, FY B.Sc was of 11 credits. So now we will see the equivalence of previous syllabus and new syllabus. You must aware that from this year SY B.Sc syllabus is revised by university. So it is known as 2020 CBCS pattern. FY B.Sc 2019 CBCS pattern, because it was implemented last year. This syllabus it is implementing us, we are implementing it from this year, so it is known as 2020 CBCS pattern. So it is applicable only for SY B.Sc. Syllabus is changed, revised by university. If we compare the syllabus, old syllabus and new syllabus, then you can understand the papers are kept as it is. There is very minute changes done by university. Otherwise the syllabus, that is title of papers, they are very similar to old syllabus. And see, this is old courses and this is new courses. See here, these are 2 papers of semester first, taxonomy of angiosperm and plant community. Here also you can see in new syllabus for third semester, taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology. So only one word has been changed. So instead of community they have inserted ecology. So here this is only difference in title. Otherwise syllabus of both, that is taxonomy of angiosperm and plant community, it is very similar. That is old syllabus and new syllabus, they are very similar with some minute changes. Then one more difference is that the syllabus of new course, that is 2020 CBS pattern, it is too much reduced by university. So as compared to old course, new course has reduced syllabus for each of these subjects. Second paper you can see it is very similar to it was in old plant physiology, in new also plant physiology. Paper codes are changed due to CBCS pattern. Then these are the papers of third semester. Now we will proceed to fourth semester. So see here, in old syllabus there was title plant anatomy and embryology. Here also we can get same title. Here you can see plant biotechnology, it has been kept as it is, plant biotechnology. Here practical based on theory courses, paper first and paper second. So this practical it was based upon all these 4 papers. Here practical based on BO 231 and BO 232, and say in semester 4th practical based on BO 241 and BO 242. So in respect to practical there is one difference, is that all these practicals are conducted throughout the year, and examination of practical, it was annual one, but in here we have to complete all the practical semester wise, and also we have to appear for examination, practical examination semester wise. So as like theory papers, we also appear for examination per semester, means we have to give practical examination at first semester also and in the second semester also. It was not so in 2014 syllabus because practical was only annual pattern. Now we will let us see details of the syllabus. Now at this position we are only interested in third semester, so we will see syllabus of third semester in detail. The first theory paper of third semester, it is taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology, which carries 2 credits. So here you can see credit first is of 15 lectures, so 1 credit is equal to 15 lectures. So this first credit, it involves all these topics. So introduction to angiosperm, taxonomy, systems of classification, study of plant families. So the respective teacher, he will teach you all the points, and these numbers are showing the number of lectures in which he has to complete all this syllabus. So this first chapter he has to complete in 2 lectures, second chapter it has to complete in 5, third chapter it should require 8 lectures. So these numbers are showing number of lectures required for to complete the particular point. So in this way, this is first credit of the paper. Now the second credit of same paper, it is also divided into 15 lectures, or we have to, or that respective teacher has to complete these points in 15 lectures. So first topic in this credit, it is botanical nomenclature, second is introduction to ecology, and third is ecological grouping of plants. So you can see here 5 plus 6 11 plus 4, they are 15. So this syllabus we have to complete in 15 lectures. So that this is the first paper. Respective teacher who will be allotted with this subject, he will complete all this syllabus. Now this is the second paper, that is, it also contains 2 credits. This is first credit, and the topics involved in this, it is introduction to plant physiology, absorption of water, ascent of sap, transpiration. So for third semester, this is second theory paper, which also involves 2 credits, and these are the topics involved in the first credit. Now here you can see there are 3 topics: nitrogen metabolism, seed dormancy and germination, physiology of flowering. So these are the different 3 chapters topics which are having also 15 lectures, and it is called as 1 credit. So 7 plus 4 11 plus 4 15. So this syllabus we have to complete within 15 lectures, and this within 15 lecture, means 1 lecture is 1 credit is equal to 15 lectures. So entire syllabus or entire paper to teach, it requires only 30 lectures because syllabus is so much reduced by university. Now after completion of theory syllabus, in third semester we have to appear for practical examinations, and these are the 13 practicals which are given by university in third semester. So, or we may call first semester of second year. So in this there are 2 subjects we know, that is taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology. This is theory paper. So these are some practicals based on this theory paper, and these are different practicals based on this second theory paper, that is plant physiology. So all these practicals we have to complete within that semester, and students have to appear for the examination with these practicals. Now in this condition we cannot conduct any practical in laboratory, but in future we will see, let us see what will happen and how can we complete these practicals. And we pray God finish this pandemic as early as possible. If this COVID-19 risk it is not reduced, then we will try to conduct this practical by online way, but we will see it later on. How to do, what to do, we will decide later on. So this is the third paper of third semester, and in this way we have seen 3 papers of the B.Sc third semester. So now we are interested only in these 3 papers. For fourth semester we will see later. Now examination structure we should know. Semester, this is third and fourth semester, it is only related with second year. So third semester it is very important because we are appearing for this. So the papers we know, taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology and plant physiology, and practicals based on these 2 papers. So each paper it is of 35 marks, means externally marks are 35, means for theory examination they have given 35 marks and internal is of 15 marks. So you have to appear for examination and you will get marks as per your performance in the examination. So out of 35 you will get marks on the in the theory, but in internal you will be given marks on the basis of your attendance, home assignment completed, then quiz, etc, etc. So all these are the activities you have to do. Now in online system also we will give you some quiz, some tests. You have to appear for these tests. Those students who will appear for test, they only get marks, internal marks. Otherwise student will not get any mark, that is internal marks. So you have to satisfy in this out of 35 marks only. So students are requested to do home assignments, appear for quiz, submit quiz on time. So each paper, external plus internal, it is of total 50 marks. So here you can see each paper, external it has 35 marks and internal it has 15 marks. So here you can see for practical internal we will consider your attendance in practical, your performance during practical. If in future if we could manage for a trip, then we will consider marks of trip. So all these marks will be considered for practical internal. So in this way your assessment will be done, and each paper having total 50 marks. So in this way this SY first semester it is, or SY third semester it is of 150 marks, and second, that is fourth semester, it is of 150 marks. So entire SY is of 300 marks. So in this way your syllabus structure will be there, and this is your examination mark structure. So I hope you have understand all the things, syllabus of SY B.Sc. Respective teacher, he will put his YouTube video or other material on the WhatsApp group. All students need to learn, watch videos, then note down notes, lecture notes given by the teachers. You have to make regular regular notebooks for each subject separately, and you have to note down all the notes there. These are very important for your examination. So you have to consider the regular college is going on, and you have to do act, study like that. So this is all about the examination structure and syllabus of SY/B.Sc Botany. So all the best for all students. Thanks for your attention.